So a question that we get asked is, if we have omitted something or it's not up to date or there's errors in there, what do we do to rectify it? And ultimately, it's just reforming the documents, updating them, and making sure that they're included as is. So for example, if you were looking at your minute book and it looked as though someone was appointed a shareholder but was never a shareholder, we need to go back, provide the support, make sure that the signatures are there, and update the minute book to reflect the actual transactions that took place. So it's not difficult to go in and update it and make it accurate, but I would again recommend working with somebody who knows the rules and regulations associated with it. If you have never had your minute book updated or created or formed, it's not a huge problem, at least if we're identifying it now. You can get your minute book started, you can get it up to date, you can get your annual resolutions and your minute book updated, no problem. Work with our legal team to do that. But you want to be the one to identify this versus it being a third party like the government coming in and asking for it, and then you're identifying that it doesn't exist or that it's omitted information. Let's be in control of it. Let's take the lead, ensure that it's up to date and that it's done properly, and then we can sleep well at night knowing that we're in full compliance with the Business Corporations Act.